Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix steering assist fault service required warning in Ford cars. So if you're getting this issue here with your Ford car, well, there are a few things here that you could try. Now, first thing that you could try doing here is you may want to do a full system reset. Now, what you need to do is you want to turn off the engine completely, open the driver's door, and wait for at least 5 minutes. Then restart the car. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check the battery health. Now, a weak or in this case, old 12-volt battery can cause steering assist failures. Now, if the battery is over 3 years old or shows low voltage, you may need to replace it. Now, also, you may want to inspect the battery terminals and grounds. Now, look for corrosion, loose connections, or at the battery terminals and ground cables. Clean and tighten everything to ensure solid electrical contact. Now, also, you may want to scan for trouble codes or OBD2. Now, use an OBD2 scanner to identify exact steering related fault codes. Now, this can help rule out sensor, motor, or module issues. Now, also, you may want to check your fuse and relays. Now, go to the fuse box and verify that the power, steering, fuse, and relays are intact. Also, replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Now, you may want to visit a mechanic for module or rack issues. Now, if the warning persists, a dealer or trusted mechanic can reprogram the control module or replace a fading EPS motor or steering rack. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.